looking at this window right here, you can see that it's higher than all the rest of the windows, and in plan, it doesn't show up very well. And so to change that, what we do is we go to the View tab and do a plan region. And we're just going to draw a box around this window, like so. And we're going to change the view range to 6 feet. Because we know that's roughly the middle of the window, and then there you go, you have your window is now showing in that view. So that's just quickly how you create a view region.